Another midweek mini build. Got this Chinese dirt bike to 150cc. It's started leaking gas last week, so I'm gonna initially drain out the gas, take the carb off, see if the seals are good or bad or what's going on with it. Other than that, I'm gonna change out my dirt bike gear to my highway gear, 32 tooth, and check everything over, because I know there is some stuff when I was going through this, like got a loose spoke there, might have a couple more somewhere, but just checking everything over and going from there. Now you see, I had a little problem. The fuel inlet on the carburetor pulled out of the carburetor. So for now, my drag mini bike, I'm going to go ahead and take my Mikuni off of there and run it on there, I guess. So here we go. Alright, let's get this carb on and we'll move on to the sprocket next. Alright, got the new carb on there. Went and made a little cold air intake for it too with the cone filter. Gotta have that for a race bike rack. Now I guess I gotta work on putting the rear sprocket on. Oh, and I found this key on-off ignition switch that I might put on it, because it doesn't have one. It just has the button. Alright, went through and marked out my loose ones, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten them. Alright, now we remove the old sprocket. Huge difference. Alright, here we go. Get her together.
Fine, I'll figure it out.
We're going to show you some promos here. Just wasteful. I hear you saying, I didn't know that. Why don't you say something for me?
Alright, now I just gotta tighten up my front spokes and might just fill it up and start it up for you guys. Oh, I gotta check my oil too. I didn't put the key switch on quite yet. Still debating if I want to. Forgot my exhaust wrap was still wet from power washing it. Woo!